Hello, how are you guys doing? How are you guys doing? I hope you're all well, and I hope you got the energy and you are ready for this. I hope you are ready for this. So I'm Kanam, your mentor from Defeat the Market Makers. So I'll be taking you through today's topic on let me scroll down. Let me zoom in. On advanced M or W. This is a setup that we find in uh, in this strategy. It's part of this strategy, the defeat the market maker strategy. So guys, before we get on with it, so I'm going to kindly ask you guys, please, if you had not done this, please kindly subscribe. Please click on the subscribe button so that you can continue to gain this type of videos for free, guys. So apparently I do give out this course for free, and then there is the part of this course that's advanced, and that's not for free, that's for my students. So you need to subscribe for my mentorship in order to get that one. So if you go through this free videos, if you like what I teach and how I teach it, you are most welcome to join the team. And the link to contact me or to join the community are all in the description box. Please kindly follow us on our Instagram page. We are Defeat the Market Maker. Go and follow. We post our trades and results, and we just show our authenticity over there. Please kindly go and subscribe to join our Telegram channels for more free resources, because we offer lots and lots of free resources, guys. We do not want money that much from traders, because we know we're also aspiring traders and beginner traders at one time, and forex knowledge was not easy to come by. So that's why we do this for free. But then for those who want advanced lessons and wants more, they are free to join. Also, we do offer a signal group, so you can join that too. So guys, let's get on with this video. Please, I hope you are having your notepad and a pen so that you are taking this down, because it's going down right now. So let's get in it. The advanced MOW setup. So this is the setup that we find within the defeat the market maker strategy. This setup is used by us so that we get paid by the market makers. We make money, we profit by the market makers. So far I've given out 2 of them. This is the 3rd one now. There was the ID50. I'll link the video here. There was the ID50, then there was the M and W of the Mayo. I'll link the video too. So this is the 3rd setup, and plenty of more are coming your way. So click the subscribe button, press the like button, so that you may also get content like this, not only from me but then from other channels as well, so that the algorithm works on your account and suggests more of these channels like mine, great channels like mine, to you. Press the notification button so that each and every time that I release a video, you get notified. So advanced M and W. So what are the 2 types of M and W? We have 2 types of the M and W patterns. Let's get into it. The first one being the confirmed, and the second one being the advanced M and W. So we have the first one being the confirmed M and W, the second one being the advanced M and W. So I'll talk about each one, and I'll show more examples about each one as we progress with this lesson. So the only difference between the confirmed pattern and an advanced pattern. So now this is the definition of each one, and how they're differentiated. Is that the advanced pattern is that the advanced pattern does not close below the 13 EMA or above the 13 EMA between the first and the second leg, meaning that for the advanced pattern there is no apex. What is an apex? An apex is that part, this part of the M right here. As you can see, this is an M, right? This part of the M, this is the apex. So sort of like what an advanced pattern is expected to be something like this, just like that. Then the 13 EMA crossover will be there, so there will be no apex. This thing that's supposed to be here, there will be no, there will be, this thing will not be present. That apex, that's called the apex, that's the close below the 13 EMA, between the first and the second leg. Since this is the first leg, this is the second leg, the first leg and the second leg. So, and this is the apex close below the 13 EMA, the formation of an apex. So there will be no apex for an advanced pattern. So that's why that's the advanced pattern for you. The confirmed pattern now, as you already now know with what I said, if the advanced pattern does not have an apex and it's and so what, how can you tell that now this is not an advanced and this is a confirmed? So a confirmed pattern is simply an apex should be present. There should be a close below the 13 EMA between the first and second legs, second leg. So yeah, that's how it is. So that's how it is. That's how it is. That's the confirmed pattern for you again. So the confirmed is the one that simply that is the first leg here, then the second leg, then the apex is present. Let me tick, double tick for that. The apex is present right there. Beautiful, guys. Have I ever told you guys that I love you so much? I appreciate how you support me, how you watch my videos, and how you like and how you always give back and comment. I like your comments. I appreciate everything. I appreciate the support. For those who are subscribed and are always following and had the notification button on, I love you guys. Thank you very much. I cannot thank you enough. And I also want to thank you for helping this content to get to other traders who are also looking for such knowledge and are in short of it, and are not aware of this knowledge. I thank you guys. If someone is going to forward this and make this discoverable to other traders they know, share this with other traders, I would like to thank you, and I would like you to know that I love you guys, and thank you. So they will consolidate in a range, the range usually of 8 or more candles, from my experience and from the experience of this strategy, before shifting back to the 13, before shifting back through the 13 EMA, and thereby not creating an apex or nadir. That's the other name. It's called an apex or nadir, but let's just use the easier term apex. So this is the apex being described. There will be consolidation in a range. This is the formation of an apex. This is the formation of an apex. So so that's the apex for you. It occurs within a range of 8 or more candles before shifting back through the 13 EMA again. So let's get into the examples, guys. These things are really simple, guys. These things are really simple. You should just understand them right away as I'm saying, as I'm teaching this to you. So by the way, for those who are going to get a hold of this PDF or one of my PDFs that I create, I always leave this link so that you can join the community on Telegram. I love you guys. Thank you. Let's continue. So this is an example of a confirmed M pattern. Confirmed, as you said, confirmed. Don't get this twisted. Don't get confused by this. A confirmed pattern, an apex should be present. They should be close below the 30 MA and then back through the 30 MA again. Confirmed. It should always be present. Thank you. Let's continue. Guys, these things are simple. So it said, write this note. This is a quote. It said forex is simple but not easy. Which way is it? Is it forex is simple but it's not easy, but then it's forex is easy but not simple? I got that. Can someone help me by writing the rightful phrase of this quote in the description box, please? I think I must have forgotten because I don't actually remember the actual words, but then can you help me and help others as well, because it's actually a beautiful quote. Is it forex is simple but not easy, or it's forex is easy but not simple? Can someone correct me there? Okay, let's go on. So as you can see right here, we have an M was formed. Lovely, a beautiful lovely M was formed right here. Then whilst the M was formed, there was a close below the 18, then close back through the 18 again, forming a what? An apex. An apex. Then what then went on to happen? A second leg. After the second leg was formed, price then gave a shifting candle that went on to close below the 13 and the 50 EMA. So the trade entry was right there. Not only did price give us that, we also have a confirmation of the TDI there. Price, the RSI gave a cross. The RSI crossed below the market baseline and the signal line right there, as you can see. So that happened. So that was the confirmation. So the trade entry was supposed to be there. So anyone who would have caught this trade would have gotten out of it with bouncing 120 pips. This was GCAD, pound Canadian dollar, the pound Canadian dollar, bouncing 120 pips. 120 pips is a lot, guys. You can do a lot with this. 120 pips, it can change your life and those around you's lives too. It's beautiful, really beautiful figures, beautiful numbers right there. So let's get in. So this is the first example. Let's get into the other examples that are coming. Come on. Okay, this one is a confirmed W now. So for a confirmed W, we're just expecting the same thing, but now the only difference is that it's in the other way. It's inverted. It's the inverted M, so that's the W. We have a first leg here. Then price came through and broke the 13 EMA, then came and broke through again the 13 EMA, giving the second leg. And after the second leg was formed, price went on to close above the 50 and the 13, giving us our entry right there and our TDI confirmation. So one would want, so for those who always want to be safe, to take their trades, to make safe trades, your entry would be right there after the shifting candle there. Then one would have gotten out of this one again with 25 pips. If you decide to hold it a bit longer, I'm sure there's about 30 or so pips, but let's say just 40 pips. Yeah, you can imagine with just this simple setup. How beautiful is that, and how easy is that? So yeah, it's forex is simple but not easy. Confirm in the description box, guys. Correct me if I'm wrong. So always remember that. So this is what you should be seeing. This is the TDI. I'm making a video tomorrow, guys. This is a special video. That's why I'm encouraging you guys to subscribe to this channel, because tomorrow's video is a bomb and it is on fire. It will be on fire. You need to watch it. It will be on TDI and it will be on fire. This is the major confirmation pattern, the major confirmation indicator in this strategy, and on our templates, the best indicator on this strategy. It's really beautiful. As you can see, it compromises of the RSIs, the Bollinger Bands, the EMAs. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's a well-made structure, and it's really crucial in this forex trading. So, what are we expecting? We're expecting a shark fin out of the band, The band being the blue lines over there. These Bollinger Bands. This is the shark fin. As you all know, a shark has that fin, that item that's on the shark's back. That's why this is called. As you can see, it looks like that. You can imagine a shark looking like this. I'm really not that good with my drawing. So a shark looks like that, and its teeth are wide open right there. Its eyes are here. So that's the shark. That's the thing on the shark's back, the shark fin. That is where the name comes from. So the shark fin must be out of the band at the TDI extremes. Note that. Take note of that. The TDI extremes, and that's around roughly when this high is around 70 and above. That's the extremes. Then around this area is 30 and below. That's the extremes on the bottom side of the TDI. So the extreme zone of the TDI on the high side is 30, then on the bottom side is on the high side is 70, then on the bottom side is the 30, then the middle point right here is 50. So the black line right here that you see here, that's the RSI. The red line, that's the signal line. The yellow line, that's the market baseline. So price, this gives a second leg. As you can see, this is the first leg right here, and this is the second leg. Price gives the second leg in the band. So this is the shark fin is the one that's considered as the first leg. Then this one is considered as one leg right here. One leg here. And it occurs in the band. And not only does it do that, it also crosses the market baseline and the signal line, which is really beautiful structures. Okay. So now on this particular setup that you see here with the name here, I don't know how there must be a mistake when I made it. This name right here was supposed to be around this area right here with this picture. It moves with this picture. It's the title. This is the title for this picture right here. So read it. Confirmed versus advanced M and W. So what happens in this picture is that this was a particular day on this particular trade. That's pound Australian dollar. It was a very beautiful day. So what happened on this day was that the market makers gave two setups, and within the two setups that was given, it gave an advanced and confirmed. It gave an advanced W and a confirmed W again. So how does it happen? Let's get in it. So the first one right here, as you can see, the first one right here. So the one that does not close above the 13 EMA, that's the what? I bet you said it right. That's the advanced pattern. So this is an advanced W, as you can see. Then after I gave this advanced W, it then went on to give this shifting candle that closes above this blue tracer here and the 13 EMA right there. So the entry was there. Then it also gave this signal cross above the signal line. This RSI crossed above the signal line right there and above the market baseline right there. This beautiful setup occurred right there. So the entry was made. The entry was made. So if you are really able, guys, to spot out these patterns, you just need to get ready to get paid. I promise you, you just need to get ready to get paid. Trust me. I have enough experience in this market to be confident to tell you right now, right here, that if you are able to train your eyes to see these patterns form before, like to see them as they are getting formed, you just need to sit back, relax, and get ready to get paid. I repeat, you just need to relax, get ready. Just need to relax. You just need to sit back and relax and get ready to get paid. Yeah. So on this particular, the first trade, you would have gotten your beautiful 60 pips, and this occurred during the what's it called? This occurred during the what's this? During the this occurred during the London session. So the next trade now, what does price do? Let me show you. Really beautiful. Price gave this first leg, the second leg right there, then it closed above, then the trade was made there. So as you can see right here, it's a bit confusing for some people right here, what really transpired, what really happened right here. So for it seems like there is no touch. Yes, there was no close above here, and then come back here. So there was no such thing, but then it actually happened. The price did that, but then it must be a broker difference. This must be a leg in the brokerage that I use. So how do we confirm and avoid such errors? We use the TDI, as you can see right here. Watch as I'm drawing a shark fin of the first leg. Then price, look at the signal line. Price cross the signal line. The first, let me use a thinner marker. Let me make it thin. Okay, price right here. That's the first close. Then the second one was right here. It went back to close. So the apex was formed in the TDI. Are you hearing me? Are you hearing me? The apex was formed in the TDI. That's why the TDI is a very crucial tool, and that's why I'm encouraging you that if you are watching this video right now, stay subscribed, press on the notification button, press the like button. For tomorrow, it's going to be fire. Trust me, it's going to be fire. The TDI is a very beautiful, as you can see on this particular trade. If you were not considering, and if you don't know how the TDI works and how to use the TDI, you would have got lost. And you would have missed out on this trade, because you'd have maybe called it off, because since the price does not form an apex, you'd have called this trade off. And this occurred during the New York session, by the way. So that's why I'm encouraging you guys to stay tuned for tomorrow's lesson. You need to watch it. You need to be ready for it. For it's coming. It's loading right now. I don't know if you know that song. Loading. Yeah. So some more notes right here. Please take note on this. Where would we find these setups? Where actually would we find these setups? Firstly, at the high of the day and the low of the day. In level 3 reversal areas, yesterday's high or low, that's the blue tracer. I'm sure you know that now. After the market maker hits the stop hand above or below the Asian range. These are the 4 areas where we should find these patterns. Get me, guys? Do you get me? Are you hearing me? Sorry, I forgot that I put 2 more. At the image, yeah, please, this is really important. At the image, let me show you. As you can see, most of these patterns occur at the image. Let me show you. Do you see here? Are you seeing the screen? Are you seeing the screen? Where did this happen? Isn't this on the EMAs? Guys, isn't this on the EMAs? Let me draw it again. Come on, please draw. Okay. Isn't this on the EMAs, guys? Isn't this on the EMAs? Is this not on the EMAs? Yes, it is on the EMAs. So like I said, it's really important. Out of it, it's on the EMA, and it's really important. After the ADR has been met or exceeded for the day, the average daily range, that's the ADR. So let's go on now. So I'm going to be showing you examples of these patterns on these areas that I indicated there particularly. So this is an advanced M at the high of the day. So as you can see, there was no close below the 13 EMA, but then price went on to give what? A close below the 13. It went on to give the second leg, then the second leg gave the second leg then the second leg gave close below the 13, is signaling our trade. At the same time, what did we get from the TDI? So the TDI should also be checked all the time. Don't take this too for granted. That's why you should not miss tomorrow's lesson. If you miss tomorrow's lesson, I don't know about you and how you are really planning your trading. But then if you get on it, you'll be the best. You'll be getting ready to get paid by the markets. You'll be preparing yourself to get paid by the markets. The confirmation, just the same thing. This is the advanced M. This is the advanced M at the high of the day. This is the advanced W of the Mayo. As you can see, there was no close below the, so this almost the same with the trade that we caught with that showed two patterns that formed two patterns on one single day. So no trade, as you can see. Then the entry was made, but after this shifting candle, was flagged right there. Then after the TDI also gave us our confirmation of closing above the market baseline and the signal line right there. So that's why the entry was made. And if one would have gotten on this trade, they would have got out of the markets with 40 pips, guys. 40 pips. Imagine what 40 pips. 40 pips is just a lot for one single day. It's enough for one single day. It's enough for traders who are not greedy. It's enough, and it's beautiful for the markets for markets that are so full of manipulation. It's beautiful. Oh, let's go on. This is the advanced M at level 3. So for this advanced M right there, you can see with the absence of an apex at level 3. Then after that, price just simply moves. It tanks down 60 pips at first, then gives a retest. And for those who have been following my videos and watching my previous videos, I want you to tell me what type of trade one could have entered here after these indications that I'm making. After these three indications that I've made here, that's the first one. This is the first one. This is the second one. This is the third one. After this form, what's the reason? What's this type of setup where one would have taken the trade right there, the entry? So you can see, after you now know that this is an advanced M, you take the first trade right here, right? After this is where the signal, the RSI gives a signal, the shifting candle, the second leg is formed, the advanced pattern is really formed right here. Then you jump in the trade right there. So and you, with the knowledge from the past video that I've made, right there. I'm not going to say the name because I want you guys to say it in the comment section. So if you don't know about this setup, if you want to know about it, check the comment section. The comment section you'll be having your answers. You'll having your answer. And that's the entry right there. Then one could have gotten out with a total of 150 pips, 115 pips. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Isn't that beautiful? Tell me about it. So apparently, this is an advanced W where the market makers hit a stop loss. Let me show you. Let me clear here. So this is the first leg. How do you know? We use the TDI again. You can see the TDI right there. It's really perfectly mapping out everything. It's a perfect double. So that's how we know that that's the first leg, because it is in line with this. Guys, I'm giving you expensive knowledge right there. That's how we see that this is so it's around that area. Let me make it a bit perfect. Is my line straight right there? Yeah, now it's straight, right? Come on. Okay, let me make it straight. Yeah, exactly. So we can easily tell that this was a first leg by looking at the TDI. Then the entry will be right there. Then bouncing. If you decide to wait for what? Wait for the if you decide to wait for the what's it called? For the shifting candle, I mean, sorry. Right there, the entry would be right there. Then one would have made 75 pips here for your exit right there. That's on GG. That's why so many pips were made in such a small distance. So this particular trade is the advanced W with ADR, the average daily range. So for those who have the same indicators as I have, you now know that this ADR, once it's reached or exceeded, it changes color to red from what is it initially before it changes? What color is it? It's this orange right there before it's hit or whatever. But then once price gives such a move like this and then shoots to the ADR right here, that's when it changes the color to red. Changes the color to red. Changes the color to red. Changes the color to what? To red. Which is something that happens. So yeah, guys, this happens. Changes the color to red. So let me get back to what I was saying, to what I was giving you the lesson on. Come on. Okay, so this is an advanced W. This is an advanced W. How do you know that? 13 does not close above or below the above and come back through the 13 EMA, forming an apex. So the apex does not form. That's how we know, and that's how we confirm and see that that trade that you're having, it's an advanced trade. That's how we see that. So the entry is made right here after the shifting candle. Then you just make your money. I'm tired of telling you that you get paid, because once you train your eyes to see this, you get paid tremendously. You get paid tremendously. You get paid, and you imagine that you're getting all this knowledge for free. Then you've just failed to subscribe or like or press the like button. Come on. Let's go. So one could have easily taken an entry right here. Why? Right here. Why? Because of what? Because of the what? Because of the what? Right here. One could have easily taken a trade right here. Because of the what? Right here again. Because of the what? The close above the basing on the TDI, there's the close above the market baseline and the signal line. Then basing on the price action here, because of the railroad candles right there, the most beautiful candlestick patterns in this inner strategy that we have. So yeah, that is what's up. That's what's up. That's what's up. As you know me, I don't like to end a video without going through some examples from the markets of what I was just teaching you, so that you know that I do what I teach, and I am what I teach. So let me show you here. This is from the recent markets. The recent markets, like this is what happened yesterday on Friday. This whole day, let me mark it. This whole day, yeah. This is Friday for you. Friday the 29th. Whenever you're watching this video, please go back and check for this price. This occurred. This was Friday, the 29th of January, 2021. How beautiful. So I'm going to show you. Let me zoom in a bit so that I show you what I was teaching you, so that you are able to confess and confirm that yes. So what is this that we're seeing here? I hope you are all shouting by now what you're seeing. Please, I hope so. Because what is this? This is what? This is a confirmed. Why? Because the apex was formed right here, and it's really beautiful and sharp. As you can see here, let me use an arrow. The apex was formed right there. Though here on price, though here it didn't close above, but on other brokers I'm sure it would have. That's why it's indicating here on the TDI. Let me show you the other reasons. There was this beautiful thing that we like to call D divergence, and this all is going to be taught in tomorrow's lesson on TDI, because it's part of the TDI divergence. So this trade was supposed to be taken right here. And how many pips one would have gotten? 60 pips, 61 pips. And the worst part is that this trade, this W here, this confirmed W pattern occurred occurred off of the 800 EMA. How beautiful is that? 800 EMA. It occurred off of the 800 EMA. This is really beautiful. It's really beautiful, guys. Let's go on to the previous day. Let's go on to this day. Hey, how are you doing, day? How are you doing Thursday? This was Thursday, by the way. How are you doing Thursday? Okay, I'm doing good. Thank you. So first things first, we see our divergence. Wow, really simple. This is another trade that was caught. Money was made. I repeat, money was made. So in this particular trade, it did close above and came back through, forming what was our pattern again? Our confirmed. Now this is a confirmed, and the entry was made when after the shifting candle above the what? above the 13 EMA, and which also gives the position of the RSI being above the RSI in the the position of the RSI being above the market baseline and the signal line. It really gets tired of talking the same thing. So I hope you did understand everything, each and everything that I talked about today and that I always talk about on my video. Let me see if I can. Yeah, perfect. So let's continue. Let me continue showing you, because I like showing people evidence that we do what we teach and we are good at what we do. Right here. First leg, second leg, first leg, second leg. Entry was made where shifting candle closes above the and shifting candle RSI position above market baseline and in the signal line. As you can see that this was also a shark fin on the second leg, so this was a really powerful signal, guys. This was a really powerful signal, powerful move. This was really powerful and money was supposed. So you can see that Friday money was made. There's the money was made. Let me keep showing. This is so much better than showing someone profits that you would have made. Would you have chosen for me to show you profits? Then after I show you the profits, what are you going to learn from those profits? You are going to learn nothing other than me showing me after I teach you a particular setup. Then I also show you how I have made money on those particular setups. Though I kind of did what I'm trying to go against. I did make a video on how I made money on, was it Thursday or Wednesday? I don't remember. There was a particular setup that I made like really big money that I actually had to make a video on it, and with these setups that I'm teaching you right now. So guys, this is super cool, super legit, and guys, you need to make money. So guys, what I encourage people to just communicate with me. I'm not a very hard person to get to. You just hit the link to my Telegram. We communicate, we have our conversation. So only, especially when it's strictly DTMM and strategy wise and analysis, you show me your charts, I show me what you're thinking, we talk, we discuss. You don't need to be my student for that, but then for some kind of attention, it's better to become my student so that we communicate to the best extent. Because if one comes to my DM and we start talking about the charts, and one of my students wants to talk to me at the same time, I'm going to, of course, stop our conversation and switch to my student, because my student would have paid for that attention. So you know what to do. You know what I mean. But then if you get me through my Instagram, when I'm on Instagram, and on Instagram most of my students don't communicate with me through my Instagram. So the most I'm giving you a tip to access me, the most beautiful and secret tip that you could get access of me and show me your charts. We could discuss and do that, get that type of free mentorship thing, and not free mentorship but then free assistance. Hit me up on my on the DTM, defeat the market maker Instagram account. Follow me there, then we talk. So let's move on. What do we have here? We have what did we have here? tired of talking. I know you know what I mean. And this biggest shifting candle, I'm sorry for my language. This is the what you can see by the apex being here. This is the what, this is the what, this is the what, this is the what. Thank you, you got that right. This is a confirmed pattern for the apex, because we have the presence of an apex and shifting candle. The entry was made here, and one would have gotten out of this trade with how many pips? Price gave us a what? Guys, this is a what again? The same thing that happened, or the same question that I know that the description box must be flooded by now, is what you're getting again, and it's the same thing that I've taught and I've been teaching. What is this? I need to ask the same question now. The first one, the second one, the third one. And why? What was the reason of it? I entered this trade. I made money on this trade. I was not available during this time, so I was not able to take the trade right during this time right here. After the shifting candle was formed, I was not able to join in, but then I chipped in right here. After this, all right. After this engulfing candle and bounce. This bounce right there. That's what happened. That's what happened. So yeah. Tell me in the description box below what this type of trade is. It would be so happy, and it will give me more energy to continue to give out. Imagine teaching people crucial and beautiful information for free, and then those particular people not being able to understand that it hurts, but then I'll be really happy and excited, and it will really push me and give me more energy to keep out making content like this. If you be able to get this correct, guys. So please tell me. If you don't know this, I'm going to link the video. Watch the video. It will be showing out. It will be popping out on the top left corner, the top right corner of your screen, and I'll also leave it in the description box below. Now let me use this in the description box below, right here where I'm indicating in the description box. There will be the links to this video that you need to get this entry. So you can see, let me just give you a rough zoom out. Monday, money was made. Tuesday, money was made. Wednesday, money was made. Thursday, money was made. Friday, money was made. So what's the reason for you not joining the team? What's the reason for you not joining the team? What are you hesitating for? What are you hesitating? Are you scared to make money? Are you scared of making money? What are you really scared of? Talk to me. Guys, these are more setups. I'm seeing more setups right here. More setup on this day. Setup on this day. Set up on this day. This is a London type chain 3 right there. Set up right there. This is a confirmed, guys. Things that we're talking about, right? Oh, come on. Okay, let me just show you the apex for this apex right here. Entry was made right here, and our trade setup that I'm talking to you about right here was made here. The first confirmation, that's the W. The second, the cross. The third, the pullback right there. Guys, just simple things repeating themselves. There's no reason for you not to understand these things, and there's no reason for you not to join the team, not to join the community. This is the best strategy in forex trading that has ever been made. super guaranteed to make money each and every day. I guarantee you that this strategy, from my results and my students, most of my students who graduated, who finished my course, the result has been 80% plus. Yeah, I can say on average 80% profits. The win rate is 80%. It's not 100. It can never be 100. Losses are made here and there, but the losses are really slim and few. And when we make some loss, because we really have tight stop losses, 10 pips, our risk reward are always crazy. 1:5, 1:3, 1:6, and it's really crazy. And money is money is made, and the win rate is 80%. I'm sure about that. This trade was made on the second video. The bounce of the 200 on the mayo is made. Our W right there, guys. These things repeat themselves. I'm tired right now. I'm tired. You must have gotten the message and the idea, and now I'm sure that when the markets open, you'll be looking for this particular trades. You're going to backtest this through, and you're going to be ready to make more money, and you are going to make a kill. You're going to kill the markets. You're going to kill, and you're going to defeat the market maker. That's the signature. Defeat the market makers. We do not want to live we are not friendly. We're not friends with the market makers, and they're not on our side. They always want to try to win us, but then because we have this strategy, we are never going to be won by them, but we are going to win them. How do we win them? We win them by knowing how they move, and how to react and how to act each and every time they move, because we have our strategy. Our strategy is planned out, each and every move out for us, and we're really for me, the founder and the creator of the defeat the market maker strategy. Guys, please share with other traders the same way that I'm also sharing with you right here the knowledge. Share, and after you share, smile. After you smile, stay safe, be safe, and always keep your mask up. Keep your mask up and sanitize and all that. We are really going through tough times, but everything is going to be okay. We are very fortunate that the forex trading has always been there, and still it will always be there, and we are really grateful of how easy to access it has become, and a chance for us all traders to make a living and save our countries, our families, our friends with the money that we'll be making from the markets. For this is the biggest market that have ever existed in the whole entire world, with a market with a market share worth of $7 trillion. You can imagine how big that amount is. So guys, share the love. It's impossible that this $7 trillion will ever run out. It will never run out. Never. Even if you refer your friends, your family on this winning strategy, the markets will never run out. The $7 trillion, we all can get a piece of the cake. So the idea is just after you get your piece of the cake, invite someone so that they learn how they also get the piece of the cake. So guys, stay blessed. As I said before, I love you guys. I love you, and I know you might not love me, but you love the strategy, and I wouldn't want you to love me, but love the strategy. Love the strategy, for this is the best strategy that any one of you would ever come across. Trust me, I bet anyone. So guys, peace out.